It's the first week of summer and I'm feeling great. I'm all coffeeed up and I'm getting some exercise in before my photo shoot this afternoon. Oh, I love going down hills. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching one of the easiest ways to composite. What are photo composites? I'm glad you asked. Come on. So a composite is when you take one picture and then you take another picture and then you Photoshop the two together to make it look like one seamless image. Today, I'll be demonstrating the most foolproof technique to create composites with ease. Danny, how you doing, man?
Danny boy. Good. How are you?
Pretty good. Thanks. I haven't played in a while.
Yeah, I mean, you're not dressed for the occasion, dude. Gotta get your gear on.
One sec. Yeah, should be a bit better now. What do you think? Is this a little bit better? Watch and learn. That was almost an awesome shot. I mean, like, who are we kidding? Basketball hoops are for ring lights anyway. This is Danny. We go way back. I think we met in like grade 7?
Yeah, Juliet.
Yeah. Danny and I often work on projects together and just test ideas out because he's really into video stuff and I'm more of a photo guy, so we can help each other out. Way back, Danny and I collaborated on a photo shoot where we did all these crazy dreamlike photos where we were jumping like 5 feet in the air like sports superstars. Since then, a lot has changed. They ended up leveling that school that we shot at. Danny saw a UFO. We both grew facial hair. Danny, watch. I perfected unicycling. Okay, I'm doing it, Danny. You watching?
There's a gas shortage and a flock of seagulls. That's about it.
That shoot was 10 years ago, and it feels like it's our duty to update those photos. And we're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. All right, now we're on to things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a friend to help you out. You've already met Danny. Something to keep your camera steady. In this case, we're using a tripod. Of course, you're gonna need a camera, like literally any will work. There you go. You're gonna need something that's mobile and sturdy that people can jump off. We're using this ladder. Yeah. You're gonna need to not take yourself too serious. So you're gonna need to not take yourself too seriously because you're gonna stand out and people are gonna stare at you. So step 1, figure out where you wanna take your picture. Don't be afraid to try a few test shots and see what you like. As the shoot progressed, the sun came out and it gave us some undesirable shadows covering our court. All right, so since that last area didn't really work with the light, we're actually gonna try to find a good spot to shoot on this net. Over here. I really like the way it looks right here. Step 2 is to grab the tripod and set it exactly where you want to take the picture. I'm thinking right about here. All right, so we've got our sturdy and mobile thing that we're gonna jump off of, in this case a ladder, and I'm setting it here. For this picture, Danny and I are gonna jump off of the top and pose in the air like this. Oh, I haven't done that in a while. And we're gonna try to like capture us in the air. And then we're gonna take a separate picture without our sturdy and mobile object, Photoshop it out, and it'll look like we're flying. Air simple. Right now we've got direct sunlight, so we're gonna take our picture And then when we take the second one later, we gotta make sure that we have direct sunlight just the same. So one thing you're gonna wanna be careful about is the shadow. So we're gonna wanna jump on an angle where the shadow that we cast is separate from the shadow of the ladder. And that's gonna make for a smooth post-production. Try like a crazy expression and pose, like arms out and like, yeah, cool. Nice, you got it in too. That's cool. I'm shooting with a fast shutter speed. That way when he's moving and in motion, it captures the action and there's no motion blur. So right now we're taking the ladder out of the shot so we can get our picture of a clean scene. I didn't mean for that to rhyme, but it was kind of cool. I'm waiting for traffic to get out of the way because there's all these cars driving by. All right, looks like I got what I need. The next step will be going into Photoshop. We'll take the picture of Danny in the air and put it above our empty scene. Now go and select the eraser tool and erase the ladder. If everything's lined up and the lighting remained the same, then it should just vanish, which results in Danny making an incredible dunk. Now I'm adding a third image which has the ball in the basket. It perfectly lines up too. I now create a blank layer mask and turn it black with the fill tool. Select the color white, then I select the paintbrush, zoom in, and carefully paint out the basketball from our old picture and paint in the new one. All right, congrats, you just did your first composite. All right, let's head off to the tennis court and do it all over again.
I want a house in the hills I pay big bills for. I ain't got a pocket. I want to empty out my wallet.
All
I
right.
want to stop motion, stand still.
Get our tennis
Wallace and
on.
Gromit. I want to talk more endlessly. I want to neurotically vomit. I want more dollars from my mama. I want a palace in
So you're gonna come right so around the line in front of you and then over a bit. That's good right there, yeah. Now that we got our framing right, we gotta bring over a sturdy and portable platform.
You could give me every little thing I'd ever want, but I'd never have enough.
Yeah.
You can give me every little thing I ever want, but
Oh.
I'd never have enough till the day I had it.
Yeah, dude. Yup. Oh man, I love it. The expression, the intensity. Let's take the ladder out and we'll just do a quick shot. If you just, yeah, over there is good. All right, so now that we got all our pictures of Danny, I'm just doing a few shots of me in the foreground as his opponent. Yeah. Oh, the intensity. Cool.
It's like Monkey Man.
All right, so now we're gonna reverse roles and I'm gonna risk breaking my ankles. All right. Gonna go for a crazy backhand or something. Jeez, my poor ankles.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
that
good.
was good too. Even
I
that.
mean, it looks so funny.
Holy, that's like the tiger. You're like,
Now we just gotta throw the ball up a couple more times and get the light reflecting off it right. There you
I
go.
want the beauty queen to make me show my pearly whites. The type of movie scene that make you count your blessings twice. It's not the only thing that's on my list. I checked it twice and sent it off to Santa's elves like I've been playing nice. I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want. Oh, I see what you want, but it might be a little more than I give you.
Hey buddy, I don't need you anymore. You've already done your part. Don't worry, I'll link to your Instagram.